Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to my channel, Belagali's class. My friends, we have started with CET of what? 2020-2021, my friends. The exam will be when? August 28th and 29th, my friends. So, as a beginning, I have started with what? Inverse trigonometric functions, because in calculus we use its lot of properties, my friends, properties. Therefore, I have started with inverse trigonometric functions. In the first video, I have done almost all basics, my friends, the concepts, the synopsis, the domain, range of what, IT of inverse trigonometric functions, properties of inverse trigonometric functions, and even I explained one time-saving result, how to write one inverse trigonometric functions to another inverse trigonometric functions, explaining even trigonometric ratios of acute angle, opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse, sine theta is what, opposite upon hypotenuse, explaining everything. Even in case of what, inverse trigonometric functions, the sides remains, my friends. Sides remains here. Sine theta. What is sine theta? It is opposite side upon hypotenuse. If you take that sine inverse that side, what is theta? Theta is sine inverse opposite side upon hypotenuse. Therefore, whether it is sine or sine inverse, the ratio of the sides is same. If the sine comes or sine inverse comes, what is the ratio? It is opposite upon hypotenuse. Now, my friends, if it is a tan inverse, it is a tan inverse of what it is? Opposite upon adjacent side, like this, my friends. If this is your right angled triangle is 90, this is your theta. With respect to theta, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. Therefore, my friends, there are three sides connected with a right angled triangle. Among the three sides, if any two are given, the remaining can be determined by using what? Pythagoras theorem. My friends, here opposite and hypotenuse are given, then we can find what? Adjacent side. Here opposite and adjacent are known, you know how to find hypotenuse. This everything explained, my friends, this part, and I have done yesterday some examples. So we can write from sine inverse to tan inverse here. Tan inverse. This is a common side, given side. What is the remaining side? We must find making use of this and making use of what? Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem here, what is this? Square of hypotenuse minus square of opposite side, by making use of Pythagoras theorem, my friends. Yes, this explained yesterday, and I have done nearly half dozen examples, my friends, yesterday. Now I am going to continue the examples, saying again there are so many results, my friends. Already you know them. Reminding those results, my friends. Yes. We know that tan 45 means tan pi by 4 is 1. Tan pi by 4 is 1. Taking tan this side, pi, it belongs to R. It is a angle between minus 90 plus 90. You can apply definition. Therefore, taking tan this side, it is tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is an angle which is pi by 4. Then what is this angle? It is an angle whose tan is 1. An angle whose tan is 1. With respect to 1, the angle is pi by 4. With respect to root 3, angle is 60 degrees, means pi by 3. with respect to 1 by root 3, what is the angle? 30 degrees, pi by 6. Tan inverse infinite is pi by 2. Tan inverse infinite is pi by 2. This we know, my friends. This we use as a time-saving result. How? How? See for a minute. Now what is this? Tan inverse infinite is pi by 2. When you get infinite, denominator is division 0 because we never divide any number by 0. Division by 0 not permissible. In such cases, anything by 0 gives what? Infinity. Therefore, this infinity is what? Something, some number, one number or minus one number, anything. Some finite number divided by 0 is what? Pi by 2. From this, what is clear? While doing the calculations, if the denominator is 0, it is pi by 2. If the denominator is not equal to 0, then the angle is not pi by 2. The same thing I have written here. If the denominator is 0, then the angle is pi by 2. If the denominator is not equal to 0, what about the angle? Angle is not pi by 2. Angle is not pi by 2. What is another one? This. Pi by 3. 1 by root 3 is pi by 3. If your expression, this expression, numerator upon denominator, if this expression contains root 3 as a numerator or root 3 as a denominator, if the root 3 in the numerator, angle is 60 degrees. If the root 3 is in the denominator, the angle is 30 degrees. That I use as a time-saving reason. This pi by 3, this pi by 6. If the expression, this expression, my friends, expression means this part. If this expression contains root 3 or 1 by root 3, then what is the angle? When it is root 3, it is 60 degrees. When it is 1 by root 3, it is pi by 6. Whether it is a numerator or denominator, if the expression contains root 3 terms, then we can think of angle is what? We can think of angle is either pi by 3 or pi by 6. If it doesn't contain root 3 terms, whether it is in the numerator or whether it is in the denominator, if this expression is free from root 3 terms, then the angle is not pi by 3 and not pi by 6. Remember. From this, my friends, remember, if the denominator is 0, if the denominator is not equal to 0, angle is not pi by 2. If the expression, this expression doesn't contain root 3 or 1 by root 3, then angle is not either pi by 3 or pi by 6. Remember, my friends, this is very, I take the use of it. Then you know this property. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus x1. Plus in LHS is plus in the numerator. Sign change. This 1 is fixed. What about this? Product of terms in the numerator. This, my friends. This. See that. Now I do some examples based on those results. First example. The value of tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 equal to, that's very simple example. I apply that formula first. Tan inverse. What is this? It is a sum. If it is plus, sum of these two numbers. If it is minus, difference of these two numbers. Down is what? Plus here, minus. If it is minus above, plus down. What is this? This 1 is fixed. What is this? Product of these two terms. So the numerator. See, you are adding first term plus second term upon, this is fixed 1. Plus means minus. Product of these two. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 6, my friends. It is what? LCM is 6. 3 plus 2, 5 upon 6 minus 1 is 5 upon 6. 5 upon 6 cancels with 5 upon 6, which is tan inverse 1. That tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. I explain. My friends, I don't want to write all this steps. I wanted time saving. I wanted time saving result, my friend. Yes. What is your first operation? Denominator. Is the denominator is 0? No. Is it 0? You stop here itself. Don't write all these things here itself. Is the denominator is 0? No. When the denominator is not 0, it implies what? Angle is not pi by 2 here. See the option. It is not pi by 2. First option. What is next? Is it contains this expression, is it contains root 3 terms? No. Whether it is the numerator or denominator, it is free from root 3. When it is free from root 3, the possibility of angle is what? Pi by 3 and pi by 6 is not there. Then what is left? Pi by 4. That pi by 4 will be your answer. Pi by 4 will be your answer. So, it is a very, very simple approach, my friends. This method is known as method of elimination. Is it? No. Is it? No. You go like that. One option will remain. That option will be your correct answer. Correct option, my friends. Is it clear? So, in this case, I have shown both tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3. We have applied that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. It is tan inverse of sum upon 1 minus the product. What is your observation? First, the denominator. Is the denominator 0? No. Denominator is not equal to 0. If the denominator is 0, my friends, angle is pi by 2. If the denominator is not equal to 0, angle is not pi by 2. So, the angle is not pi by 2. Not pi by 2. What is next? Is this expression tan inverse of this expression, if it contains root 3 or 1 by root 3, then the angle will go off pi by 3 or pi by 6. There is no smell of what? Root 3 terms. It is free from root 3. Free from root 3 means what? No chance of having what? Angle as pi by 3 or pi by 6. No chance. No. Which option is left? Pi by 4. That will be your answer. A, B, C. That will be your answer. Answer will be C. See, my friend, here. The value of cos inverse 2 by root 5 plus cot inverse 3 equal to dash. These are the options. The first option is pi by 2. Second option is tan inverse 2 by root 5. Third option is pi by 4. Fourth option is tan inverse 1 by 4. Yes. You know the method of conversion from cos inverse to tan inverse. Cos to tan inverse. What is this? Above is adjacent side. What is down is hypotenuse. What is tan? This is opposite upon adjacent side. Write this adjacent side down. What is cot inverse? Tan inverse 1 by 3. Then you don't spend your time. Why? Denominator is 3, denominator is 2. Then what is your answer? Pi by 4. Now you can take this as your standard result, my friends. This we can take it as what? Standard result. I write here. You can take it as a standard result. That is tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3. It is 2, 3. What is the denominator? 4, my friend. 2, 3, friend. It is pi by 4. Pi by 4. Yes. Looking at what cot inverse is, tan inverse 1 by 3. Look at the options. Directly you can mark the answer as what? Pi by 4. Therefore, what is the answer then here? Answer is C here also. Why? Tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 from the above is pi by 4. Next, my friends, this we can do it. Why? Directly tan inverse 1 by 3. This must be what? Tan inverse 1 by 2. Then only you will be having the angle as what? Pi by 4. When it is tan inverse 1 by 3, you can mark it because what is this? Sine inverse to tan inverse. Sine inverse to tan inverse. Sine and tan, what is the common side, opposite side? Down is, what is this? Adjacent side. Hypotenuse square. 5 minus 1, 4. Square root of 4 is what? 2. So it is tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 is what? The answer is 5 by 4. Therefore, the answer is A, my friends. Answer is A. Remember. Next. The value of summation tan inverse 1 by n equal to dash pi by 2, pi by 4, 2 pi by 3, fourth option. Put n equal to 1, n takes values from 1 to 3, put n equal to 1, tan inverse 1, put n equal to 2, tan inverse 1 by 2, put n equal to 3, tan inverse 1 by 3, again your standard result, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 is pi by 4, and what is tan inverse 1 pi by 4? What is pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2, then which option is the answer? B. Pi by 2 is B. Once again, my friends, put n equal to 1 to 3. When n is 1, this. When n is 2, this. When n is 3, is this. You know, this is standard result, pi by 4. Tan inverse 1, standard result, pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2, which is B, my friends. Next. If tan inverse x plus tan inverse 1 by 3 equal to pi by 4, if tan inverse x plus tan inverse 1 by 3 equal to pi by 4, then the value of x is dash. These are the options. 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Yes, my friends, you are putting what directly. X is 1 by 2. If you remember this result should dance always in your mind. If you know that result, directly the value of x is 1 by 2. Without writing anything on the board, you can mark it. What is the answer? 1 by 2. Next, my friend. If tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equal to pi by 4, then x is, what is the first option? Either 1 or 6. What is second option? Either 0 or 1. What is the third option? 1 by 6. Fourth option is what? 1. If you put x equal to 1, no chance. Why? Tan inverse 2, tan inverse 3, never equal to pi by 4. If you put x equal to 6, 12, 18, no. 0, no. Then 1 by 6. If you put x equal to 1 by 6, see my friend, this 1 by 6 gives, it is tan inverse. 2 by 6 is 1 by 3 plus tan inverse. 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. What is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. Then what is the answer? Answer is x equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, the answer is x equal to 1 by 6, or option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. This is how, my friends, the same here. Here itself your time saving results are there. This is a time saving result. From this you got it. You know how to apply. Then this is another time saving result. We know that tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 is 5 by 4. Based on that, so many examples are there. Yes, my friends, I do few more examples. Just see 1 minute, see. Friends, the next example is this. The value of cosec inverse root 5 plus sec inverse root 10 upon 3 is a dash. These are the options. Pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2, pi. These are the options. So once again, my friends, as we know this theorem, this theorem is in terms of what? Tan. It is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Therefore, my friends, we are converting The inverse trigonometric functions other than tan inverse. Other than tan inverse to tan inverse. You know the procedure. Sec inverse to tan inverse. See, it is cosec inverse root 5. Root 5 can be written as what? Down is 1. What is cosec? This is hypotenuse. What is this? Opposite side. Tan inverse. Opposite side. One side is common. Opposite side upon adjacent side. How to get it? Square 5. Minus square of the denominator. What is it? 4. What is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2, my friend. 1 by 2 plus. Sec inverse. What is this? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. It is adjacent side. Tan inverse. Opposite upon adjacent. What is the denominator? Is 3. When you see the denominator is 3, see here. Denominator is 2, denominator is 3. When the denominators are 2 and 3, what is the answer? 5 by 4. You have to write it. 5. I told in the beginning itself, while giving the method on CET, you must play which game? 20-20 match. 20-20 match. You have to take the risk and the hit. Risk and mark. When it is 1 by 3, this is 1 by 2. This is 1 itself, 5. See. Yes, my friends. I will explain once again. This is 14. This I think, you know what is this? Tan inverse, it is 12 plus 5, 17 upon LCM is 20. 20 minus 3, 17 upon 20. Then what is its value? Again, this is tan inverse 1. What is tan inverse 1? Tan inverse 1 is 5 by 4. All these things, my friends, no need to write it. Don't spend time writing this unnecessarily. From this, you know, at least you write here itself, it is 1. Tan inverse 1 is what? Answer is 5 by 4. Once again, A, B, C, D. Your option is D, my friend. Answer is D. Answer is D. This, my friend. If you get this, don't waste your time in writing all these things. Yes, 1 means what? Answer is 5 by 4. Directly mark. The next is, my friends, next is value of cot inverse 9 plus cosec inverse root 41 upon 4. This is appeared, my friends, 2015 CET. 2015 CET. Cosec inverse root 41 upon 4. 41 upon 4. These are the options. Tan inverse 1. Tan inverse root 3, sin inverse 1 by 2. Sin inverse 1 by 2, this is cos inverse 1. Cos inverse 1. Yes. Convert. This can be written as what? Cot inverse 9 is tan inverse reciprocal. This property, my friends. We have done these properties. These properties we have done. This is cot inverse x is tan inverse 1 by x, or tan inverse 1 by x is cot inverse x. 1 by x means what? The reciprocal relation. Reciprocal. The reciprocal of this is 1 by 9 plus tan inverse cosec. What is this? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse upon opposite side. This is. What is tan inverse? Opposite upon adjacent. How to find it? Square 41 minus square 16. 41 minus 16 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Those things, my friends, you must manage, you must write directly. We have to make use of Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse upon opposite side. How to find the adjacent side? Square 41 minus square 16. 41 minus 16 is 25. Square root 5. 4 by 5. Now there is no chance of what? This result. 1 by 2, 1 by 3. There is no chance. They are different. Then you have to apply this result. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. It is tan inverse x plus y, 1 by 9 plus 4 by 5 upon 1 minus, what is it? It is xy, product of these two. 1 into 4 is 4, 9 into 5 is 45. Yes, my friends, what is this? 5 plus 36 is 41 upon 45. This is 45 minus 4 is 41 upon 45. Then it cancels, my friends. You have a direct, this is 1. What is the answer? Tan inverse 1. It is in terms of tan inverse only. Sometimes the examiners, while setting the question papers, will write these options. Actually, this is helping to you. I tell. The result is only in terms of tan inverse. No chance of these, my friends. No chance. Either this or this. Look at it. There is no root 3. No chance of all getting root 3 terms. Then what is the answer? Tan inverse 1. Direct, without writing anything, you may mark it. Sometimes you may get the chance like this, my friends. If you use that chance, you can avoid writing all these things, my friends. That is time saving. Now that time saving you can get only when you are sharp. Why? With the tan inverse means these are the two options. Another two options are useless. Among these two options, is there any root 3? No chance. When this is the only chance to have a right option. This is the right option. Even after doing also get the same option, which is tan inverse 1, my friends. Tan inverse 1. Yes. Next one, value of. This is tan inverse 3 upon 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal to dash. These are the options. Pi by 4, pi by 2, pi by 3, none of these three. So to directly apply that theorem, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x1. 21 plus 4, 25 upon 28. 28 minus 3, 25 upon 28, which is tan inverse 1. Which option is your answer? Pi by 4. Therefore, option A is the answer. Which is tan inverse 1 means what, my friend? This pi by 4 you should not write. It will take some seconds to write and mark. Smell, mark it. Answer. Enclose the circle. This is 15th example, my friends. Again, based on this result, we take this result as a basic result now. Now, this also like this above, we take that result, my friend. So, this is tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. It is as what, my friend? Pi by 4. Based on this, you have some 1 or 2 examples, my friends. 1 or 2 examples. Yes. See. Now the next example is my friends, this is the next example. I told we use this. This is tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal to pi by 4. It also comes under what? Time saving result. Now these two are what? Time saving results. See here, this is the example. If cos inverse x equal to cot inverse 4 by 3 plus cot inverse 7, then the value of x is dash. These are the options 0, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. Yes, my friend, here itself smell, I told this pi by 4. Pi by 4 means what is the answer? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Direct. Actually, no need to write. It is tan inverse. 3 by 4, 1 by 7 means it is pi by 4. What is your x? Cos 45. What is cos 45? 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Then which option is the answer, my friend? D. Option D is your answer. So, cot inverse to tan inverse reciprocal. Cot inverse to tan inverse reciprocal. I told the time saving. This is pi by 4. What is x? Bring cos inverse this side. Cos pi by 4. 45 means 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is where? It is option D. Option D is your answer. Next, if sin inverse x equal to, this is minus, my friends, observe. I have done all examples with plus, plus, plus c. This is with minus. When it is minus, you have to just think whether the cancellation is there or not. Yes, cos to tan inverse. Adjacent, above is adjacent. Down is hypotenuse. Adjacent for tan. Opposite, Pythagorean numbers. 3, 5 means the remaining is 4. Minus. Sin inverse to tan inverse. What is above? Opposite. What is down? Hypotenuse. What is tan? Opposite. 4. Remaining side is what? 3. Cancellation, my friend. 0. Therefore, sin inverse x equal to 0 means x is sin 0. Sin 0 is 0. 0 is 0 means which option is the answer, my friend? Option A is your answer. Option A is your answer. Yes. Next one. The value of, it is also a good question, once appeared in CET. Sin inverse 2 root 2 upon 3 plus sin inverse 1 by 3. The value of sin inverse 2 root 2 upon 3 plus sin inverse 1 by 3 equal to that. These are the options, my friend. 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 6, 5. Yes, same thing, because to use your Superman, this theorem, sin inverse to tan inverse. Sin means what? This is opposite side, this is hypotenuse. Tan, opposite is this. Adjacent you have to find, what is it? Square means 9, minus square, 2 into 4 is 8. 9 minus 8, 1, square root of 1 is 1. Plus, once again, opposite, hypotenuse, tan inverse, opposite, adjacent you have to find, how to find? 9 minus 1, this is 9 minus 1 means 8. What is root 8? Root 8 is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. 5, 4 into 2, square root of 4, square root of 2. Now, you know, what is this? They are reciprocal, my friends. Reciprocal. Tan inverse 2 root 2 upon 1 plus tan inverse 1 by root 2. Again, you know one more property, my friends, here. What is that property? That property is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is 5 by 2. But what is cot inverse x? It is tan inverse reciprocal 1 by x. This property is what? 5 by 2. Tell my friend what is the relation here? X and 1 by x. X and 1 by x. Reciprocal. When in case of tan inverse, the reciprocal relation is there. What is the value? RHS is 5 by 2. What is this here? They have the reciprocal relation. The directly answer is what? 5 by 2. Otherwise, tan inverse x plus 5, no interest in writing down. 1 minus xy, xy means product. Product means what? 2 root 2 cancels, you have left 1. Denominator becomes 0. When the denominator is 0, my friend, when the denominator is 0, what is the angle? 5 by 2. When the denominator is 0, the angle is 5 by 2. Angle is 5 by 2. Otherwise, if they have the reciprocal relation, answer is 5 by 2. Answer is 5 by 2. Remember, my friends. Yes, this is also a good question. Good question. Next, it is also a good question. The value of tan pi plus sec inverse 85 upon 77, big number. Again, you must remember Pythagorean numbers. It is 36, 77, 85. What are the Pythagorean numbers? They are 36, 77, 85. These are reciprocal, means what? Pythagorean numbers, my friends. Once again, sec inverse to tan inverse. Yes, sec inverse to tan inverse. What is this, my friend? Hypotenuse. This is adjacent side. What about tan inverse? Down is adjacent side. This is opposite. It takes longer time. Longer time. 85 whole square minus 77 whole square. You get a number. Then you have to take the square root. You must know. It is a what? Square of 36. That you do not know. Therefore, if you know these Pythagorean numbers, my friends, attempt in the first case. Otherwise, first attempt, don't do this example. Why? If you go on calculating, it takes time. Yes. These are Pythagorean numbers, my friend. Therefore, when this is adjacent side, the remaining side is what? 36. 36 upon 77 is the option. I tell you one more. These are 4 options. 36 upon 77, 77 upon 36. What about the third and fourth? Negative of the above, negative of the first and negative of the second. Then, my friends, no need, see here, here, this, tan phi plus this you wanted, you do not know, but you can write the denominator phi. Among the two, one is useful. What is numerator in case of sec? Hypotenuse. What is the denominator in case of sec? Adjacent. Tan inverse. Opposite upon adjacent. Then what is the denominator? 77. See, 77 is there in first option. Here also 77 is there, but it is with a negative sign. There is no chance of negative sign. Tell why. Pi plus means what? Angle is the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, the tan is positive. See my friend here. This is second. Third means here. Quadrant rule. All silver tea cups. It is pi plus third quadrant. Tan is positive. So this is with a plus sign. If it is other than third quadrant, we will get what? Minus. Therefore, the friends they have given negative sign also. The denominator is 77. Normally, I used to tell what? 20-20 match. Market. So the option is what, my friend? A. Answer. Option is A. Similar type above. 16 is similar type of what? 15. Value of tan cos inverse minus 2 by 7 minus pi by 2. Tan cos inverse minus 2 by 7 minus pi by 2. Yes, my friend, you know. Cos inverse minus x is pi minus cos inverse x. Properties of inverse trigonometric functions. Pi minus cos inverse 2 by 7 minus pi by 2. Pi minus pi by 2 is pi by 2 minus cos inverse. Then where is the angle? Pi by 2 means tan changes to cot. Pi by 2 means allied angle. Tan changes to cot of this angle. Cos inverse 2 by 7. What about this sine? Angle is in the first quadrant. First quadrant means this sine is positive. Then you convert this cos inverse to cot inverse. I write here, my friend. I write here. What is this? This is cot of cos inverse 2 by 7. Yes. Cot. You want to convert this into cot inverse. In case of cos, adjacent upon hypotenuse. Yes. Cot means adjacent upon opposite side. Adjacent is to. What is this? 49 minus 4. 49 minus 4 is 45. You have to take the square root of this. What is 45? 9 into 5. Square root of 9, 3. Square root of 5, root 5. Cot of cot inverse, what is the answer? 2 by 3 into root 5. 3, it is 2 upon 3 into root 5. Hope understood. I will explain once again. See, value of tan cos inverse minus 2 by 7 minus 5 by 2. It is cos inverse of minus x. What is cos inverse of minus x? By minus cos inverse x. X is 2 by 7 minus 5 by 2. Pi minus 5 by 2 is 5 by 2 minus cos inverse. Allied angle 90. Tan changes to its co-trigonometric ratio of this angle. What about the sign here? Plus pi. Pi by 2 minus means angle is in the first quadrant. First quadrant, all positive, so positive. Now we have to convert this cos inverse to cot inverse. Cos inverse to cot inverse. Cot, adjacent upon cos, adjacent upon hypotenuse, cot, adjacent upon opposite, adjacent is to opposite, square of the hypotenuse, 49 minus 4 square, 49 minus 4 is 45, square root of 45, 45 can be written as 9 into 5, root 9, 3, root 5, therefore the answer is 2 upon 3 into root 5, this is the answer, this is the answer. Yes, my friends, I used what in all these examples, these concepts, my friends, these concepts. Just I do another 1 or 2 examples based on what? Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is pi by 2. I do another 1 or 2 examples based on this, my friends. This, my friends. Yes, see, I used that result. Friends, this example based on these results. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is pi by 2. From this, what is the time saving result? If the RHS is pi by 2, what is your observation, my friends, there? If the RHS is pi by 2, these two angles are equal. See, these two angles are equal. RHS is pi by 2. These two angles are same. Angles are same. Angles are same, my friends. Here, there is one example. If sin inverse x by 5 plus cosec inverse 5 by 4 equal to pi by 2, then the value of x is dash. This cosec you must convert to cos inverse 5. What is the property? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Therefore, to have that, you must convert from cosec inverse to cos inverse. Otherwise, this sin inverse you must convert to sec inverse. Either third, otherwise first property. Yes, you convert it. In case of cosec, what is this, my friend? Numerator is hypotenuse. Denominator is opposite side. In case of cos, hypotenuse, adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? 5, right? The remaining side. What about 5 and 4? Two numbers of what? Pythagorean triplet. Remaining is 3. So 3 by 5 equal to pi by 2. If it is pi by 2 RHS, these angles are equal. These angles are equal. If the RHS is pi by 2, it implies these angles are equal. X by 5 equal to 3 by 5. So x equal to 3. X equal to 3. Therefore, even you can write direct, if it is pi by 2, these numbers are in Pythagorean triplet. 4, 5, it must be 3. It must be 3 Pythagorean numbers. Direct, even you can write the answer. Answer, my friends. Answer. Okay? Yes. Yes, friends. The next example is, this example is completed. While doing this example, we used these results. Theorem. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is pi by 2. This RHS is pi by 2 only when these numbers are same. X, these numbers are same. By making use of this man, okay, I do this. I do this, otherwise I will explain. With the help of this, the value of 5 sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. 5 sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is, you can split 5 as 4 plus 1. What is this sin inverse x plus cos inverse x? This is pi by 2 plus 4 sin inverse x. Without this step, my friends, without this step directly, we can write the answer. 5 sin inverse plus cos inverse x is pi by 2 plus 1 less with a number. 1 less with a number. Similarly, 3 tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is what? Pi by 2 plus 2 tan inverse x. Pi by 2 plus 2 tan inverse x. Like that. If it is 2 cos inverse x plus sin inverse x. Cos inverse x plus sin is pi by 2. Then 1 less plus cos inverse x. 1 less to this number, pi by 2 plus 1 less. Pi by 2 plus 1 less. Pi by 2 plus 1 less, 5 becomes 4. Remember, my friends, this. We use this while doing the examples. Yes, my friend. This is the next example. This is done. This is the next example. If sin inverse x equal to pi by 5, then the value of cos inverse x. Yes, my friends, we know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. What is the value of this? Pi by 5 plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Then cos inverse x is pi by 2 minus pi by 5. Simplify. LCM is 10 cross 5 minus cross 2. 5 minus 2 is what? 3 pi upon 10. What is this 3 pi upon 10? 3 pi upon 10 is option A. 3 pi upon 10 is option A. Option A. Now we can write directly, my friends. This always dances in the mind. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Therefore, among the two, any one, cos inverse x is what? Pi by 2 minus the other one. Pi by 2 minus the other one. Pi by 2 minus the other one. Yes. 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 The value of sin inverse x is given. Sin inverse x is given. You wanted cos inverse x. As you know this, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. From this identity, tell my friend, what is sin inverse x? Pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. What is cos inverse x? Pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. If you know this perfectly, you can write directly this step, my friend. No medias, nothing. These steps are not at all necessary. These steps are not at all necessary. So, cos inverse x equal to what? Pi by 2 minus the sin inverse x. Pi by 2 the minus sin inverse x. What is the value of sin inverse x? Pi by 5. So, pi by 2 minus pi by 5. Simplifying this, you get what? 3 pi upon 10. Hence, the option is what? A, my friend. This is another good example appear. If sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to 1. If sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to 1, then the value of x is a dash. X is dash. These are the options. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 5 by 2, and none of these. None of these. Yes, my friend. Take this sine this side. This sine this side. It becomes sine inverse 1. What is the value of sine inverse 1? Pi by 2. It is an angle whose sine is 1. Sine 90 is 1. So sine inverse 1 is 90. Pi by 2. Yes, you wanted cos inverse x. So cos inverse x is pi by 2 minus this minus sin inverse 1 by 5. Then what is the value of this? Pi by 2 minus sin inverse is the remaining. Pi by 2 minus the sin inverse x is remaining. Cos inverse 1 by 5. Therefore, cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 by 5. So, number equal to number. X is 1 by 5. Then which option is the correct answer? Answer is option A. Option is answer A. Answer is A. Option A. I hope understood. Sine taking this side, sine inverse 1. Value of this sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. Pi. It is an angle whose sine is 1. Yes, we know. Sine pi by 2, sine 90 is 1. Then you wanted cos inverse x. Shift this side. Pi by 2 minus sine inverse. What is pi by 2 minus sine inverse is? Cos inverse. See here itself. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Then what is cos inverse x here, my friend? Cos inverse x is pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. One you have to shift that side. So, one equal to pi by 2 minus the other. This is the combination sine inverse cos inverse. What is the second combination? Tan inverse cot inverse. The third combination is sec inverse with cosec inverse. Yes. Shifting. Again pi by 2 minus sine inverse is 1. Pi by 2 minus sine inverse is cos inverse x. So it is cos inverse 1 by 5. So you have cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 by 5. Then the number in LHS equal to number in RHS. So x equal to what? 1 by 5. That 1 by 5 is what? Option A. Therefore, my friends, answer is what? Option A. Option. Next example. If 4 sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi, then the value of x is dash. X is dash. These are the options. A 1, B 1 by 2, C 1 by 3. Option D is 2. Once again, directly you can write this step. Otherwise, help. This 4 can be written as what? 3 plus 1 plus this cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. What is the value of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. This pi by 2 shift to the RHS. So, 3 sin inverse x is pi minus pi by 2. Simplifying pi by 2. What is sin inverse x? Taking to this side, pi by 2 into 3 is 6. X is sin 30. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 is what? Which option, my friend? B. Option B. So I will explain once again. See, if 4 sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi, then the value of x is dash. These are the options A, B, C, D. 4 split 3 plus 1. This you join with cos inverse. Sin inverse with cos inverse, by the theorem its value is pi by 2. Shift this value to RHS. RHS is pi minus pi by 2. Simplify. Sin inverse x. Shift 3 to RHS. 3 into 2 is 6. Pi by 6. So what is x? Sin inverse becomes sin. Definition of sin. What is this? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is where? Option B is the answer. Now it is also a similar example. The value of cos 2 sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to dash. These are the options. Options are tell pi by 2 minus x. X. Pi minus x. Minus x. First option is pi by 2 minus x. Second option is x. Third option is pi minus x. Fourth option is minus x. These are the options. So it is cos of, I have written directly, it is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2 plus 1 less. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into sin inverse x. Allied angle formula, my friends. What is this? Pi by 2 plus theta. Cos 90 plus theta. 90 means cos changes to sin. Theta is sin inverse x. Angle is in the second quadrant. Pi by 2 plus. Pi by 2 plus means it is in the second quadrant. See, this is pi and this is 0. This is pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus means where is the angle? Angle is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine is positive, cos is negative. Cos is negative. Cos is negative. Therefore, pi by 2, cos changes to sine. Theta, sine inverse x. Second quadrant, sine is negative. This is minus sine. Again, law properties. Sine of sine inverse x is x. So with the minus sign, it is minus x. Tell which option? Minus x is option D, my friends. Minus x is option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Yes. Next one. The value of cos. 2 cos inverse 1 by 5 plus sine inverse 1 by 5. It is equal to cos of sine inverse plus cos inverse is pi by 2 plus bigger 1 less cos inverse 1 by 5. Cos, once again, my friend, 90 means cos changes to sine. Sine of what? Cos inverse 1 by 5. This is your theta. 90 plus theta minus sine theta. This is theta. And second quadrant, once again, second quadrant cos is negative. It is minus. Now you have to convert this cos inverse to sine inverse. You know the method. See. This equal to minus sine. This cos inverse you have to convert into sine. This is, I write once again, my friend, here. Cos inverse 1 by 5. Yes, it is minus sine. You want to convert this in terms of sine inverse. Tell my friend, what is this? This is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Sine means down is hypotenuse. What is this? It is square root square 25 minus above square 1. What is 25 minus 1? 24. That 24 can be written as square root 4 into 6, my friend, which is 2 into root 6. 2 into root 6. My friend, I will explain once again. This part, cos of 2 cos inverse 1 by 5 plus sin inverse 1 by 5. Yes, cos inverse plus sin inverse is pi by 2 plus 1 is attached with this 1 less. 2 minus 1 is 1 cos inverse. Pi by 2 means 90. Cos changes to sin, allied angle formula. This is theta. Second quadrant, cos is negative. Cos is negative. This I have written here. It is minus sin cos inverse 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Definition of cos. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Yes. We want to convert from cos to sin 5. Sin of sin inverse is number itself. Yes, my friend. What is this? Hypotenuse is 5. What is numerator is adjacent side. Square minus square. Square is 25. 25 minus 1 is 24. Square root of 24. 4 into 6. 2 root 6. This is 2 root 6, my friends. Minus sine of sine inverse 6. It is minus 2 root 6 upon 5. Tell which option? Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. This one. Minus 2 root 6 upon 5. Minus 2 root 6 upon 5. Yes, that will be the answer. Yes, my friend. This. I do another one out. Yes. So the next example is, my friends, I have completed this type of examples, which is cos 2 cos inverse 1 by 5 plus sin inverse 1 by 5 equal to dash. This man, cos inverse plus sin inverse is pi by 2 plus 1 less. You know the method, everything. So the answer is what? The T. Now the same type, you do it yourself. the value of sine inverse 2 by 3 plus cos inverse 2 by 3. What is it? Pi by 2 plus cos inverse. Pi by 2 plus cos inverse means what? Sine changes to cos. Sine changes to cos. You know the method. You complete this. So do it yourself. This becomes what, my friend? Instead of this, it becomes sine of pi by 2 plus cos inverse 2 by 3. Cos inverse 2 by 3. Pi by 2 means sine changes to cos. Cos inverse 2 by 3. Sine is plus pi. Second quadrant sine is positive. Second quadrant sine is positive. Therefore, cos of cos inverse is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means which is the option? B is the option. B is the option. It is sine of this, which is pi by 2 plus cos inverse is this. Pi by 2 means sine changes to cos of angle theta is what? Cos inverse 2 by 3. Cos of cos inverse, that number itself, 2 by 3 is what? The option B. Similar, same. If tan inverse x plus 2 cot inverse x equal to 2 pi by 3, then the value of x, my friends, value of x, these are the options. Root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by 3, 1, 1. These are the options. C, once again, tan inverse plus cot inverse is pi by 2 plus, you have more here, 1 less. 2 minus 1 is 1, cot inverse x is 2 pi by 3. Shift this side, cot inverse x is 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 2. Cross 4, 4 minus 3, 1. LCM 6, it is pi by 6. Therefore, x is cot 30 or cot pi by 6. Cot 30 is what? Root 3, my friends. You must take care, no confusion. Cot 30 root 3, tan 60 root 3, cot 60 1 by root 3, tan 30 1 by root 3. If you, under any condition, if you confuse and if you mark 1 by root 3, gone 1 mark. Last step. You must be perfect in values also, my friends. Values also. Cot 30 is root 3. Root 3. Hope understood. Same. Given tan inverse plus cot inverse is pi by 2 plus 1 less equal to RHS. Shift to the RHS. Simplify. LCM is 6 cross 4 minus 3 is pi by 6. So the value of x, taking cot inverse, it becomes cot. Definition of inverse functions, cot. Cot 30 is what, my friend? Root 3. Which option is the answer? Answer is option A. Answer is option A. Yes. Next is, if sine inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to 2 pi upon 5, 2 pi upon 5, then the value of cos inverse x plus sine inverse y equal to dash. These are the options. First, second, third, fourth. So, in this case, my friends, you write, you have two variables. One is x, another is y. One is x, another is y. Another is y. See, in terms of x, you write the result theorem. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Also, instead of x, you have y also. Write it. Sine inverse y plus cos inverse y is pi by 2. Making use of this, my friends. Sine inverse x plus these two numbers, either x or y or z, it is pi by 2. Yes. Now, you add these two. Adding, you have with this combination, sine inverse with cos inverse. This you have the combinations. It is what? Sine inverse x with cos inverse y. One bracket plus cos inverse x plus sine inverse y. Another bracket. But its value is given, my friend. What is the value of this? Is 2 pi upon 5. You wanted this, therefore, cos inverse x plus sine inverse y equal to cos inverse x plus sine inverse y equal to RHS. Here also we are adding RHS. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2 pi. Pi minus this 2 pi upon 5. 5 minus 2. LCM cross 5 minus 2. 3 pi upon 5. 3 upon 5 is where? This is option B, my friends. Option B is the answer. Now instead of this, sometimes they may give this as what? Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to 2 pi upon 5 or anything they may give. Then the value of cos inverse x plus cos inverse y they may ask. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to dash. Here you have to write this step is addition. If it is sin inverse x plus sin inverse x, write that first. If it is cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, write that. Yes. The given one bracket, remaining another bracket, you know the value of this bracket, substitute, shift this side, it is pi minus 2 pi upon 5, which is 3 pi upon 5. Even you can write, my friends, direct answer. How? Anything, this is the combination. If they wanted anything here, this equal to what? Pi minus the given. Pi minus the given. It is 1. Direct, my friends, whatever it is. Given one group, they wanted another bracket, another group. What is that another group? Pi minus the given. Pi minus the given. Direct answer, my friends. Nothing to write all these steps. You can save the time and you can get direct answer, my friends. Even no need to write even this also. What is this equal to? This is pi minus the given. What is pi minus 2 pi by 5? Is 3 pi by 5. My friend, you can write this direct. Oh, understood. This you do it yourselves. If tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to, you can write anything. Okay, and this is pi by 3. Then the value of cot inverse x plus cot inverse y equal to dash. What I said, direct answer pi minus pi by 3. What is the answer, my friend? 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. You can write direct, nothing, no theorems and all. Direct we can write this answer. Then there is one more example on these theorems. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is pi by 2. One more. The example on this is if this number is 24, 25. Yes. If sin inverse 8 by x plus sin inverse 15 by x equal to pi by 2. Then the value of x. Is dash. Yes, these are the options, my friends. 17, 18, 19, none of these. Yes. Shift one that side. So this can be written as, shift this that side, it is sin inverse. It is 15 upon x is pi by 2 minus sin inverse 8 by x. Yes, I explained pi by 2 minus sin inverse is cos inverse 8 by x. Now you want to convert from cos inverse to sin inverse. Cos inverse to sin inverse. Hypotenuse, what is this, my friend? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. You wanted hypotenuse. Opposite side, it is a square root. Square of hypotenuse minus square of adjacent side. Now you have, I write for your sake, write this. Sin inverse 15 upon x equal to Sine inverse root x square minus 64 upon x, number equal to number. This gives, my friends, it is 15 upon x equal to, it is square root x square minus 64 upon x. Now this x denominator is cancelled. Squaring 15 to 25 equal to square root cancels. X square minus 64. What is this? X square equal to 225 plus 64, which is 289. Then what is the value of x? X is 17. Therefore, which option is the answer? Option A. Option A is the answer. But my friend, this 17 is what? These means what? 8, 15, 17. 8, 15, 17 are what? Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. Therefore, to take what? Quick 20-20 match. 8, 15 are there. What is the remaining Pythagorean number among this? What is the Pythagorean number? 17. You mark it. Avoid writing all these things, my friends. If you write all these things, it needs what? At least 1 minute. At least 1 minute. In such cases, you must be quick. That quickness is very, very important. Yes, my friend. So here, 8, 15, denominator is what? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? The bigger number, which is 17. This 8, 15, 17, these are Pythagorean numbers or Pythagorean triplets. Direct you can write answer, my friend. What is a direct answer? Direct answer. Pythagorean number, which is 17, because Pythagorean numbers, right? 17. Hope I have done around some examples based on this result, my friends. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is pi by 2. Based on this, and even based other than this result also. So I have done around 20 to 25 examples, my friends, in this video. This is enough, my friends. Okay. Yes, my friends. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you like it, please share this, because now the time for CET, my friends. Doing with the CET questions, please share with your friends. Prepare perfect for your August 28, 29, 28 actually, 28 exam, my friends. Please share to your friends. Namaste, my friends. Namaste. Namaskara. Namashinno. Good day, my friends. Good.